Do you really want to know what your home is worth? Depending on where you live, it could be $1 million question or a $300,000 question. But no matter what, the process is still the same. People always ask me, Damon, how do I know what my house is worth without having to pay $500 for an appraisal and have a bunch of people walk through my house taking pictures? And I'll actually show you how to do it for free because I'm Mr. Foxy and I'm awesome. So let's talk about it. So your property value consists of really only 3 things: condition, location, and competition. So let's get into number 1, condition. The condition of your home can vary by 3 things: the look, the age of the property, and raw. Roof, AC, and water heater. And here's a side note. You don't want your home smelling bootylicious. You want to take care of your house. Nice cut grass, clean interior, and a well-kept backyard. Roof, AC, and water heater are the 3 big ticket items, and those are the things that people are going to look at the closest. If any of those are super freaking old, you can pretty much subtract that for what you think your house is worth. Think of it like a car. If it's old, but you kept up with it, you're going to get more. But if it's old and it needs a lot of work, you're not going to be able to get as much. Number 2, location. So let's face it, if you live on the beach, more people are going to want your home. That's why you'll see a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Beverly Hills going for $6 million, where you'll find that same house here in Tampa for $400,000. Like I said, it really depends on your location. You can easily go outside and look at your community to get a realistic expectation of what your home is worth. Just be honest with yourself, whether you live in the hood, the suburbs, or the Hollywood Hills. And number 3, competition. Competition is just a comparison of the homes that have sold in the last 3 to 6 months in your area, just like yours. P.S. Zillow wasn't made to give you accurate comps. And the best property to compare your home to is one with a similar square footage, age, and condition. All these factors is what we use to determine the actual value of the home. So here's something special we're doing right now. If you want my company to give you the value of your home without having to spend $500, click the link below and fill out the form. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video extremely helpful. And you know what to do till the next one. That's right. Keep it foxy. Bye for now, guys. I got to go find some shoes.